Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Today I'm putting the restored cab onto the restored frame. However, it was kind of sketchy when I lifted it off using this homemade hoist, so I've got Mikey from the shop spot here to give me a hand.
What's going on, everybody?
But first, let's learn from my mistakes. When I lifted the cab off of the old frame, I had the strap only wrapped around the roof. I padded it with towels to help avoid damage to the headliner, but I didn't consider all the weight of the cab the strap was putting on the drip rails, and they got a little bent in the process. So this time, I'm running the strap all the way around the entire cab under the rocker panels.
So let's start by moving this over here. There we go. Lean it right back down onto these jack stands. And we're gonna want these guys all the way up.
Oh, dude, we gotta knock your tabs in.
Huh? Oh, you're supposed to do that?
Yeah.
Oh, I've only had these for like 10 years.
I know, same here. I went through all mine. You want some gloves? Are you good?
Oh, I'm good. I'm just trying to imagine like math and like geometry, and like if this was here.
This is here.
I'm gonna get a
This
little
will
bit
be
closer.
right in here.
Let's see if we're spot on or not. All right.
So I'm good. If you want to place one of them for sure, like that way it'll catch, or I don't know.
When we get a little bit closer, I figure I'll just knock it with my foot.
This will work out perfect. This thing is way lighter than I thought it was going to be.
Oh, it's not bad. I mean,
I actually thought it was going to be a little beefier.
it's basically a tin can compared to
Right.
modern trucks.
Where you want it?
Over here, like on this part. Didn't know it was gonna start raining this early.
Yeah. How you looking?
Yeah, about that. Perfect.
Roll around in.
Yep.
Maybe. I'm gonna pull this over just a little bit more.
Cool thing is Mike actually built this himself. And this has been so helpful.
It's been something. I definitely thought I would use it more, but once I got a hold of the lift, it was,
Yeah, kind of dead weight at that point.
yeah. Still helpful for a lot of stuff, but.
Yeah, I actually traded him my hoist for this.
We do barter and trade around here.
Yeah.
It works out well for both of us.
I don't know if we're still gonna have a lot of pressure on those.
I think it will, honestly.
will?
Yeah, that's why I was like, you know what? Maybe we'll just try to keep it on the same spot, because that's already
it's
already
damaged.
happened. You know.
Yeah.
If anything, I'd just bump it up and we'll kind of see what it does.
All right, get these blankets out of the way for one. Since you're done sleeping in there for a while.
Says who?
All right, now we gotta get the new frame lined up to go under the cab. But we gotta get the old frame out of the way a little bit first. There we go.
Try it straight. Say when.
That's good.
All right.
I'm gonna spin it around
Yeah, I just want to keep this because I know it's gonna pivot.
from knocking into something.
Yep.
There we go. Oh, this is perfect. Dude, 2 people. Way to
Teamwork
go.
makes the dream work.
All right, I'm gonna set this guy down here.
All right.
I am gonna put this blanket on the fire or the back of the bed wall here, so we don't smash that up. All right.
So we.
You ever done this before?
Nope.
Me neither.
Let's see what happens.
Why did it get so much slack? in
Oh,
it?
it's not locked.
Oh shoot! I'm like something don't seem right. We're slipping up here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but it might not be a bad thing.
Let's see what it. Okay.
We centered.
Nothing crazy's happening over here.
The only bad thing is this, we're about to hit metal.
Yeah, let's readjust here.
So let's pull this whole thing through here. A little bit. All right, get some tension back on her.
Okay.
All right, try it again.
I'll tell you what. I'm in the front because obviously we got more weight.
This
to
is
the back.
uneven now because look at this.
So
This is what's throwing it off. Because we're so far up on this side.
Oh, okay. You want to try and?
That's better.
Okay.
That should be better. Go time?
Yeah. Dude.
Oh, that's all the way up. Oh. We got to.
So that's
Okay.
okay. Let's get a blanket for the window and we'll readjust.
All right. Back down.
Yep. Well, hopefully don't make an oops.
Yeah, my main concern, we have a bad track record
With glass.
on windshields
In
and glass
general.
in general.
Well, that didn't work.
Okay, trying this again.
Whoa.
Okay.
Damn.
Actually, look how balanced it. Are you holding it down a lot?
I am.
Okay.
I kind of didn't want to let it go because I'm like, my luck, it'll flip backwards and then.
Yeah. I thought maybe we were just good at this.
Yeah, no. Let's not get too crazy now. Yeah, but I mean, honestly, dude, I'm putting very itty bitty amounts of pressure on this just to keep it the way it is. Whoa, that's crazy.
Is it working?
It's working, and
how
it's
am I
so
looking?
close.
Okay, I'm gonna keep it going.
Yeah, oh, hang on, you got a towel in the caster up here. Give it back. As soon as you get closer, I'm gonna drag it over. It should be good, man. This is working. There. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
It's like we know what we're doing.
It's like you planned something out and it worked. Weird. If you want, start letting it down. We'll get kind of.
Yeah, I do need to put the washers on top of these
Okay.
bushings when we get closer.
That thing is ridiculous. How about that?
Wow, we didn't mess something up.
Well played.
All right, so small one goes on the front, big two go on the back.
Beep.
I don't see how we're gonna knock these things off, but
Oh, no way.
we'll try it.
That could never happen.
Oh, I lost a bushing over here.
Oh, did you?
Let's see here, how heavy is this thing? Oh, it's not heavy at all. Let me get this on here.
Because really, what I could do is push down on the front, and then you could push the frame and everything forward a little bit more.
do
And it
that.
should probably angle it perfect, I think.
Yeah, I should even it up.
Yeah, the blanket keeps just pushing it further
All right.
up, so if anything, just put a thinner layer of the blanket in between there.
Yeah. All right, they're pretty close now. I'm gonna try and get this washer back in here. So, dang it. So we gotta go, I think because I put the grease on there and it's like sliding off. You go forward a little bit.
I would say, if anything, let's try and get it to set on the rubber, and then we'll use a jack
All
to
right.
pick it up. That way we can get it lined up roughly.
Get at
and
least
then-
one or two of the bolts in.
Right.
All right.
'Cause, yeah, we're still pretty high up on the front right now.
Am I
don't
looking up
know
here?
what that was, but we're just knocking everything.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah. This one's like. Yeah.
All right. Well, we got the front lined up. Let's throw some washers in there. All right, fronts are in. And I see the second one's lined. Oh, they're lined up perfect. We just got to get the washers in. I'm gonna let you get your side in, and then we'll do my side, so we're
Let
not
me
like
try and.
knocking each other's washers out here.
Ready?
Remember, lift with your back.
Oh, yeah.
Not your.
Oh, always your back, never your legs.
Got you good? You good? I'm trying to get it centered. All right, good. That should be pretty close.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's like you know what you do. Hang on.
Hang on, let me get this thing out of here.
That was what I was worried about.
Yeah,
Like, I
where
don't
do
want
I
that
put
fucking
this?
thing.
All right.
That would
good.
be a day ruiner right
So you're
there.
gonna smash the windshield or scratch the engine bay. All right.
Watch your fingers. I'm gonna have to let it down for a sec.
All right. Ooh. You know, we could use it. I guess let's just use the floor jack. That just make it so much easier. Don't slip, don't slip. All right, good.
Ah.
Dude, I may have to go back and adjust those torsion bars a little bit. Hell yeah, dude.
Yes, sir.
No one lost a finger.
We still got all the digis.
It's all humid and hot now. I'm sweating from that.
I know.
I think I need a beer.
I know.
All right, it's all done. The cab is on the restored frame, and we threw a fender on there just to get an idea of how it's gonna look. And it's a little bit lower than I thought it was gonna be, but luckily I can crank those torsions back up because right now the fender is touching the tire. But a huge thanks to Mikey from the Shop Spot.
Anytime, dude.
I'll put a link to his channel down in the description. He does all kinds of weird stuff. For one, he built this contraption, which made this all possible. And next time, I'm gonna be taking all this stuff out of the bed here and putting it back in the cab where it belongs and back in the engine bay. And then finally, the 20R is gonna go in. Thanks for watching.